Is your Jaguar X-Type key fob not working? The most common causes are a dead battery or a loss of synchronization with the car. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery in the fob. Remove the cover with a small screwdriver, take out the old battery, and insert a new CR2032 lithium coin cell. Reassemble carefully to avoid damaging the fob. If replacing the battery doesn't work, you'll need to reinitialize the remote due to synchronization loss. Cycle the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this 5 times in quick succession. While the ignition is in the on position, press and hold the lock or unlock button to resync the fob with the vehicle's ECU. Because Jaguar officially discontinued support for X-Type models in 2020, OEM parts are dwindling, making these DIY fixes essential for maintaining your vehicle's functionality. If you can't get the key fob working after these steps, you may need to inspect the central locking system or wiring harnesses for faults like actuator failures or corrosion. If battery replacement and reinitialization don't solve the problem, the issue might lie within the X-Type's central locking system. Use an OBD2 scanner like Torque Pro to check for error codes related to the central locking system. Inspect the wiring harness under the driver's seat for corrosion, a common problem area. You can use a multimeter and Jaguar wiring diagrams from Haynes manuals to diagnose wiring issues. As the X-Type ages and OEM parts become scarce, explore aftermarket suppliers like Rock Auto for replacement parts. As a preventative measure, replace the key fob batteries every 2 to 3 years and reprogram the fob annually to avoid synchronization problems.